Hey folks, Mr. Dell here. We are looking at a problem asking about mean, range, median. So given a set of data, can you find the mean, the range, and the median? That's what I'm going to go over today, how and what that means. So I'm taking this problem from CPM course 2, CC2, and this is section 3.2.4. Okay? Section 3.2.4. Number 76, 3-76. So it says find the mean, the range, and the median of the values, and gives me the list of numbers. And then it gives me a little hint about range. Recall that the range is calculated by finding the difference between the largest and smallest data values. So to begin, I'm going to put these numbers in order. Putting them in order will help me with the median. It'll help me with the range. And then we'll get to the mean. I don't need them in order for the mean, but it'd be nice to just have them all in order. So we're going to start with the smallest, right? So we have some negative values. So it looks like our smallest negative is -2, and I have two of them. So -2, -2. I'm going to cross them off as I go. Then if I look, I've got a 0. And then let's see, cross that off. I have a 1. And then I have the next looks like a 2. And then after 2, looks like a 4. And then let's see, what do I have left? I have the 7, 8, 9, and 12. So 7, 8, 9, and 12. 7, 8, 9, and 12. I think I got them all. Okay, so there we are. So let's start. I'm going to actually start with mean because I've got them in order now. Excuse me, the median. I said mean and I underlined median. Median, remember the word median, that really what we're dealing with median is the middle value, right? The middle value. So it's getting them in order from smallest to greatest, then finding the number that's in the middle, in the very center of that data. So if we look, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pieces of data. So I'm going to go 5 in, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 5 in that way. And then 5 in this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sure enough, there's my middle. But what I need the middle of the middle. So these two numbers here are the center, but I need to find what is that number there. Well, we may be able to just see it like we do here, 2, 4. So what's right in between 2 and 4 is 3. But if you don't, how to do this is you would add those numbers up and then divide by 2. So what we do is we say 2 plus 4 divide by 2, which we should already know is 6 divided by 2, which is 3. So my median is 3. So I'll have that value. I'm going to circle that so I'm good to go. Then the range, I'm going to work this way. My range, it gave me my hint. It's the difference between the largest and the smallest. So the largest is my 12. I've got them in order. My smallest is -2, right? So the difference, how do you find difference? So range, we're going to go 12 minus -2. The difference, you subtract them. What's their range? So from -2 to 0 is 2, and then from 0 to 12 is 12 more, so that's a total of 14. Or you can look at it as the range being the difference. So 12 minus -2 is the same thing as 12 plus 2, right? Minus a negative. Subtraction is adding the opposite, so add the opposite of -2 is +2. So we end up with 14. So my range, and I'll put this down here, is equal to 14. I'll put a box around that. Last piece of data that I need to calculate is my mean. And remember, mean is another word for average. So how do you find the average of the data? You take you find the sum of all data, right? Sum of all the numbers, and then you divide, this is division, divide by the number of numbers, right? The number of data. So in this case, for this problem, we're going to say, add all these up. -2 plus -2 is -4, plus 0, still -4, plus 1, now I'm at -3, plus 2, now I'm at -1, and then plus 4, now I'm at 3, +3, then plus 7 is 10, 18, 27, 37, 39. So it looks like the sum for this problem is 39, and then I divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Divide by 10. So 39 divided by 10 is 3.9. So that is the mean. Okay, so 3.9 is the mean. My median is 3, and my range is 14. All right, there you go.